What a beautiful day to wash my bike. Oh, what's happening here? Dripping. Yep, don't you hate it when this happens? Right, today we're gonna learn how to fix this. Alright, in this episode we're gonna learn how to fix a very simple garden hose issue. Yeah, if you can see here, this is usually what happens. One side of the garden hose is hardened and it slipped off from the connector. Other symptoms includes dripping connector, like what you see here. Alright, let's get started. First of all, remove this cap. That's where the pipe usually goes in, but you see this part of the pipe is already enlarged and hardened. So we need to remove this part first. Very simple. Just use a cutter, carefully cut away around an inch, okay, so that the fresh part of the pipe is now the original diameter, which is smaller, as you can see here. Yeah. And by putting it into the connector later, it's gonna be tight fitting. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze it in, but oops, don't forget, you have to put back the connector cap. Okay, carefully squeeze into the pipe. Yes, you can leverage the ground so that it's stronger for you to press it in. Yep, all the way. Once it's tight, okay, just fasten the cap and we are done. Yep, as simple as that. See, so we're gonna have to repeat this process for the other side of the hose as well. Alright, so for this end it's the same. We're gonna cut this part away, because you see this part of the pipe is enlarged. That's why it's easier for it to slip off. Right, okay, cut off. Now remove the fastening cap, slot it into the pipe and push the pipe into the connector. Oh, careful of you see that this piece is bent. Make sure that it's not bent, because these pieces are the one that is holding the pipe tight onto the connector. Alright, use more force and the help of the ground. Once it's tight, fasten the cap and we are done. Alright, okay, we're gonna test it out to make sure that it's not leaking anymore. Looking good. Alright, looks like the leaking stopped. Everything's fine. Let's see the other side. Okay, ooh, high pressure. Yep, works well. The pipe does not pop up anymore. Okay, looking good. No dripping, no leaking. Alright, we have done all the fixing. Now for the bonus tips section, I'm going to show you how to roll back this hose into the roller. First of all, straighten the hose on the ground as straight as you can. Lay them out flat and take care of all the tangles, right? And on the roller part, make sure that the pipe is straightened. Pressurize the pipe first, okay? Make sure that the other side you have the tap or the sprayer on the off position so that the pipe is pressurized. Now this step is very important, okay? Carefully roll the first round onto the roller, okay? Making sure that the joint and the first turn from the pipe is not bent, okay? Bent slightly is okay, it's not folded or blocked, okay? Yeah, with the pipe pressurized, it is easier to do that. Okay, so just continue on rolling. Yeah, see, it should be a very nice wind onto the roller. Alright, and from this point onwards, just keep repeating the process until you get to the end of the spool. And what you do next is just rolling over the first spool, okay, and repeat it until it's all done. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this part. Okay, we've reached the end, and there you go, it's all done. Okay, once it's done, just go ahead and turn off the tap, and you can safely remove the pipe, oops, from all the pressure buildup. Okay, and now you know that when you plug it in, okay, you have the pressure, and ta-da, you can still use the pipe while they are rolled up. Okay, yeah, high pressure. All right, thank you. Oh, look at that rainbow. Wow, double rainbow. Must be a lucky day. All right, okay then, bye bye. Stay tuned for the next video. See you again. Alright, ciao.